Robert here, coming to you with another great video from Bella Lago. Today this is a new phase, so I'm gonna go through this. This is the back street by Bella Lago Boulevard, Bella Lago Parkway. It connects with Fort Hammer Road. So check it out, guys. These are the new not new plans, but this is the new little section back there, because all the ones up front got sold. All the Destins, the Camdens, the Hawthornes, they're pretty much all sold up front. So this is the new phase of those larger ranch, wider lot, 60-foot lot models, guys. So as you can see behind me and right here, these are like water lots on this side of the street, and then these back up to the parkway on this side of the street, and then down at the end is basically, that's Fort Hammer. It's not you can't pass through, there's no outlet, but it's like a cul-de-sac down there at Fort Hammer Road, which is connected basically with North River Ranch. So, and then that's easy access to Moccasin Wallow, or easy access to Buckeye Road when the extension is finished. So these are all in the low 500s. They were doing the red tag sale. I'm sure they have a new incentive that is pretty similar to that. It was 4.99 with the $2,500, $25,000 back in incentives. That was supposed to have ended, I think it's supposed to end yesterday. So it was supposed to end yesterday, and so I'm gonna figure out what the new incentives are. I'll update you with that by the end of this video, and we will go from there. I'll have all the pricing for all these models, so if you're interested in any of them, give me a call at 941-879-4730. And regardless of what their incentives are, guys, usually I give you a $2,000 bonus, but because these are a little higher price in the 500s, I'll do $2,500. And you can use that for, upgrades or things that you want to do after you move in. You want to screen in the lanai, you have to get a bunch of stuff from Home Depot. You always need a bunch of stuff when you move in. That comes in really helpful, guys. If they reward me, I like to reward you and give back, and and do some business, guys. So I like to bring you these videos. I like to keep you with these updates. Make sure you're subscribing, you're liking my videos, so more of these videos show up in your feed. So like you're notified, and every time I release these updates. I do them every week, a couple times a week, and model tours and stuff like that. So check out my channel, guys. It's packed with Parrish knowledge and packed with all different things, like from school zones and what's going on with Moccasin Wallow Road, Fort Hammer Road, the 12 steps to buying new construction, all the model tours for all the builders. I have all the community tours for all of Parrish, Florida. So I'm the Parrish, Florida new construction specialist, Robert Lunt, Realty One Group Skyline, 941-879-4730. And I really appreciate you guys checking out my videos, and I appreciate all the support, all the feedback, and all the business that comes from this channel. I appreciate it, guys. Let's check out these models. All right, so this one here is I believe a Hawthorne. So I'm just going off the wing right now. I didn't stop at the office yet and give the sheet, but I believe it's a Hawthorne. Yeah, this is a Hawthorne. So this is a Hawthorne. It's basically done. They got to do the landscaping, and do the touch-ups. We would come through with them and do the, the punch list walkthrough. Coming right off of here, guys, you're gonna have your 3-car garage. Boom. Big laundry room. It's actually a little separate because you don't have, it's not like you're walking through where the laundry is, and there's a little bit of a pocket here, so it's tucked back, and then it has another storage closet, like a walk-in closet right here. So it has a coat closet, it's nice. And on the other side of the hallway, you have a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Check this out. Nice vanity. Like I said, these are all in the low 500s, guys. Great incentives all the time. DR Horton, Bella Lago, Parrish, Florida. The fastest growing community, I believe, in the west coast of Florida. I mean, with over 20, you even got seagulls out back, guys. Look at that. That's how close to the ocean we are. Seagulls come and check out the ponds. So, we have a little pocket here, a little nook for dining. This one's got a nice kitchen. I do like that. The white backsplash, the dark cabinets, beautiful countertops. Huge area here. This is your master in the back. This is the Hawthorne model. Has a double walk-in closet. Tub and shower. Boom. Huge double vanity. Toilet room. Tray ceilings in the master. Water view. This is an end lot, so this is probably one of the most desirable. There's probably actually gonna be maybe one more here, but it doesn't look like it. Probably the other row is gonna start there, so you might have a house backing up to the side of this one. So, decent sized yard. You can fit a pool here, guys. You won't have much yard after that because with Manatee County, there's a 5-foot setback from the edge of the property with your swimming pool, your cage. Here's your other bedroom here, and this one has its own bathroom, which is nice, which it's freaking like broken, the door handle. Let's see if I can open it. Someone like locked it and lost the door handle. Oh, I can't get it right now, but there's a full bathroom in there. Take my word for it. So yeah, guys, this is the Hawthorne. Got a whole row of these guys, so you know they're gonna sell fast. This is a prime location. So you can get right out to Fort Hammer, super easy from here. You don't have to drive through the community to get to it. This one, guys, is, I'll tell you when I get it. I think this is the Destin. Let's say this is the Destin. I'll tell you when I get in here. Oh, this is a Camden. This is the Camden. So the Camden, when you walk in, you have a bedroom. Nope, this is, yeah, this is Camden. Camden. So you have the Jack and Jill. No lights on in this one right now, not yet. Actually there is, just not in every room. Then you come through and this has like an in-law suite, guys. So you have a half bath here. This is, you have like a little drop zone. This goes into your garage, okay? Boom. Big laundry room, that is separate. Tray ceiling, this would be like the multi-generational suite. And you could have like a kitchenette right here. This could be like a living room, kitchenette area, another dining table, something like that. Or you can just use it as a, you know, if you're not using multi-generational for like your oldest kid or something like that. So it's got its own walk-in closet, full bath, a bonus area. Or if you're looking, you know, if you're targeting like a, you know, if you don't want to do the stairs and you like the idea of having a 2-story with a loft, you know, this is like a 1-story and this would kind of be your loft, right? This is like your bonus area. Plus it has this area for dining. So this is nice too, because you see how it's already pre-done here? You could easily just wall that in and close that off, close this off, put a door here. It's super easy, guys. It's already framed in. So if that worked for you, because you have a dining area over here, and look at this, look at that. I've sold one of these already, so I had a good experience with that. Tray ceilings everywhere. Look at that, 1.9. Beautiful lot. And your master is back here. So it's 4 bedrooms with that bonus area. Whoops, sorry, dude. I didn't know this guy was sleeping on the floor. Oh, he's on break. Got the tub. Dude, it scared me. Check it out, guys. Nice tub, nice shower. It's a great setup. Good view. So yeah, guys, nice countertops. Let's go on to the next one. We'll just do one more. I think the next one is the Destin. So we did Hawthorne first, Camden second. Camden is just a little bit bigger than the Hawthorne, I think by like 200 or 300 square feet. I'll put it up on a screen here. So yeah, this looks like, I think this is another Camden. Destin. I'm not even really sure. That's definitely a Camden. I believe this is a Destin here. I want to say. No, this is a Hawthorne. I walked through it the other day with customers. I forget. I forget which one. They said that might have been this one. This is on the curve a little bit, so it's on the pond. Yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah, this is this one. This is the Destin. Let's walk through here. Yeah, this is it. This is your Destin. You have a 2-1 when you walk in. This one's a little bit smaller, but people really like this floor plan. This is a really good one because it has like, you have like this room in the back. Maybe I crossed those. I don't know. Maybe I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we were in the Hawthorne first. Camden, that's Destin. So, yeah, this is it. Yep. So you have, this goes kind of like this, and your nice backsplash. Lots of counter space. A little pantry here. Has a laundry. I believe this is a storage closet. That's your AC, okay. You don't really want to store anything where your AC is, especially when it's open like that and sucking in open air from the hallway like that. Really, I'll be honest with you, that's not my favorite setup. This one does have the pre-plumb for the sink. Just because I feel like, yeah, you got an air filter, but you're still sucking in stuff from all over the ground, right? So this has its own, room with the little bathroom and another closet back here. So it's a pretty good layout, guys. It has the water view back here as well. They've all got those little rooms with the bathrooms in it and the walk-in closets. So they're all kind of multi-generational, or all have their own, almost like a big master and then like a mini master. This is your master. This is gonna have the long water view because you're gonna be able to see the pond that way and that way. There will be a cul-de-sac behind here of other houses. So this window's open, so good view of the yard. So boom. Don't forget, guys, give me a call, 941-879-4730. Been doing this quite a long time. I'm the area expert, especially when you're new to the area or you're out of state. It's always helpful to have someone like me, especially an agent that rewards you. And I give you a discounted listing service. So if you need a contingency to sell your home, you need a contingency to sell your home, guys, I can get you that. And then I also give you a discounted listing service if you're buying with me and listing with me. And I meet those contingencies all the time around here, and I get it done within the deadline. It's not a problem for me. I'm a very professional listing agent, and I'm very good at the new construction side. So, not to toot my own horn, but I guess you can look at my reviews, stuff like that. Look at my sales records on Google or Realtor.com or whatever. It speaks for itself. So that's all I do. So guys, hope I can help you out and help you relocate. And if I can answer any questions for you, give you a good insight about the area, feel free to reach out to me anytime. 941-879-4730. I'm in Bella Lago. They have a community pool. They have two pools now. One is heated. They have a gym, playground, and 2 little dog parks. So, and a prime location right next to North River Ranch, where basically nestled inside of North River Ranch, where the new hospital is coming, the market walk, the new Publix, new schools, new parks, the new middle school is coming in like right behind here. And check out my short that I just posted I was on site where the middle school is coming in. Check that out, guys. Check out all my videos. Give me a call. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.